They are disappeared.
When you're feeling low, lost in the dark, and all hope seems to be falling apart, just remember there's a spark inside of you, a fire burning bright, waiting to break through, yeah. Rise up, illuminate, let your spirit soar. You're a shooting star, forever so much more. Don't you let the world dim your glowing light. Let an inspiration ignite your inner fire.
Hey guys, so today is going to be quite a chaotic day because today the Wi-Fi isn't working, so there's no proper internet, and also yesterday my heating bag had leaked, and that is why most of my books look like this now. And also look at these notes, they are all wet, and half of my notes have been gone, they are disappeared. So I'm going to vlog today just to show you how chaotic life can be when you are living in a hostel. And also I am starting my final year next week, so I have to prepare for all of that, like a little bit of cleaning my room and everything, because once the college starts I am not going to get a lot of time. So let's begin the day by first clearing this mess up and also filling these things over here. So let's begin. So I'm done with clearing all of this up. I have filled my water bottles, cleaned up my mugs and everything, and now it is 2:45 and I am going to study for a while, and then I have to go out. We have to collect a parcel for my friend and a little bit of grocery shopping. So we are going to do that, but before that we are going to study for a while. So let's go. I have now studied for a while and I am feeling bored of studying because all of the chaos that is going on in the life, and also the nervousness of starting a new year, which is going to be the final year of MBBS. I am quite excited and nervous at the same time. So because of all those emotions, I'm not able to concentrate on one thing at a time. So I'm going to go out, get freshened up, collect the parcel, get some groceries, and then come back home. So let's go.
While you live in a hostel, you really need to have some good friends. Obviously, you are going to meet different kinds of people, some good, some bad, some very good, and some very bad. But you have to find a few friends that are going to make you happy, who are going to make you smile on all those hard times. And this is the one who helps me to get through all of the struggles that I have faced in all of these years until now. After living away from home, I realized how difficult it is to do grocery shopping just to get through the day. I also realized how difficult it is to answer this question, what should we make for dinner or lunch today or breakfast? Staying away from home also puts a lot of responsibility on your shoulders, and you learn to be responsible of your own actions, of your own acts, and that is the most important thing that you will learn while staying away from home.
I'm now back from the grocery store, and we also walked back home from the grocery store to the hostel. So I'm feeling quite fresh now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to call mom. I'll talk to her for a while, like 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll get fresh and do 1 hour of live session so that I don't miss out on that, because I've been doing these live sessions for a month now, and I hope that I get to continue these live sessions, because I feel that I am more productive when I am doing a live session. And I hope that you feel like that too. And if you haven't joined any of these live sessions, do join me, and for that you need to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button so that you get the notifications of when I am going live. So now I'm going to call my mom and then do a live session. So I'll see you after the live session. So I'm finally done with the live session, and now I'm going to continue studying for more like half an hour, and then I have to go make dinner because no one cooks for me, and I miss home right now because mom cooks every day and I get food ready in my hand, but that can't happen over here. So we have to cook for ourselves, and because of that you have to plan everything every day. So I am done with my studying, but before going to make dinner, I wanted to show you something that I did recently. So this is what I had done yesterday. These are a few drawings that I have made. This one has actually folded up, but it is quite beautiful. So this is something that I do every year before starting college, or sometimes even before starting a new semester, because this is something that I see every morning just after I wake up. And these are some very positive quotes that I like to read to myself once I wake up, as this is my bed and the first thing that I'm going to see is this, and that helps me keep motivated for the whole day. And it also gives me a positive start for the semester or the year. So this is what I wanted to show you, because I didn't shoot a reel about it or share it anywhere like this. So this is all that I had to say, and now I'm going to go make dinner and I'll see you after that. Bye bye. So I'm finally back after dinner, and now I plan to study for a while, and then let's see what we're going to do. So for that, let's light up a candle and begin studying. So right now, as it is dark, I feel like I love studying in the dark with just the small lights on, like my candle and study light. So I'm going to switch off the light and sit studying, because it feels like I am more productive and more focused on what I am studying when it is dark around me. So let's switch things up and let's begin studying.
You'll also learn how important it is to schedule your whole day. You will learn how easy it gets once you schedule your day and you get to do those things at that particular time, which makes the day a lot more easier than it would if you wouldn't have scheduled.
So I'm finally done with what I had planned to study today, and now I'm going to go play with my friends. We play PUBG of our fight together, so that we feel refreshed after a whole day of studying and doing all the work. And that is what I wanted to say, like, you need to take breaks, you need to refresh your mind and your body so that you are ready for all the things that you have to face. Because if you don't take rest on the proper time, if you don't take breaks that your body requires, it will be difficult for you once your body will take the break for itself, and it is not on the right time, and it is very difficult for those people who do these things to themselves. So with that, I am going to end this vlog over here, and I'll see you next week. Until then, keep inspiring and bye bye.